In front of me is Honor Pad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down to hit Google. Now choose All Services here. Scroll down to tap on Autoview with Google and hit Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on any password to edit and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!